What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see on the tape, we're going to be trimming this fender. I marked it for about 2 inches off. I'm going to start here, bottom. I want to get back to that close as I can, even with that part of the panel. Come up from the bottom, trace over. Now you can see the first one here. That was 2 inches, but that looks stupid, I think. So I really wanted to extend it out all the way to kind of more of a natural point, which you can see kind of ends right there. So we'll see how that goes. We'll do both sides, and here we go. Well, there she is, all trimmed up. Looking nice on that side, looking nice on that side. Definitely opened it up. Now we just gotta pound back these pinch welds. We're gonna head out to the desert for that. Got her lifted up. My Harbor Freight jack stand and jack, got all that on sale. Beautiful. Here's what we'll be doing. That pinch weld right there is a bastard. We're gonna knock it out the way. Both sides. Only problem is, you can see on that little red table there, all I got is this framing hammer. Not the best tool to use for this. 5-pound sledge would have worked a lot better. We'll see how she does. Well, after 2,326 hits on both sides, finally got that sumbitch pounded in. Wheel liners back on. Got my edge banding on, so don't slice yourself when you're trying to change a tire or whatever. Plus it looks kind of cool. Well, there you have it. Definitely see the space opened up. Looks beautiful. Get yourself a 5-pound sledge. Please, don't be like me. Have a good one, guys. Like and subscribe.